Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have been keeping well, staying home, and just spending all the time that you can with your family. So today I want to share with you 5 things that we have been doing to keep ourselves entertained and, not go crazy. So the most obvious thing and the thing we do most often is cooking. We are cooking 3 times a day, and that's the ideal thing to do, especially if you have children. Bring them in the kitchen and have them cook with you. Even if that means giving them a camera to film you while you cook, it's a very good activity for them to do. David. Hi.
I have to get the right position, woman.
You know, if you follow me, you know, if you're in my face, you don't have to be in my face like. I insist that David keeps his room in order and help with the tidying of the space. You should be cleaning your room.
I am doing it.
When?
Because I'm making this part beautiful. But it's not bad with the cables and everything.
I also take my own advice and I clear my room and clean my room and vacuum and do all that good things that I don't get to do all the time. Of all the things we do, I think this one is our favorite, and that's taking a walk through the forest. If you don't have a forest, you can take a walk around your scheme or whatever area you have that is free for you to walk. Go and take a walk there. See things, small things that you don't usually observe. You might just observe. And we went for a walk the other day and we saw, we took note of some really weird things that we just usually pass. So like the bird's nest in a tree, the frog eggs laying in the water in the pond, little things that we would have just passed. This time we were really observing them. Number 4. Practice reading with the kids or just read a book that you have wanted to read for a long time. I bought this book for David a few months ago, and it's a compilation of stories of kids who dared to be different. And so I try to encourage him to read a story or two, not every day, but I would like if he would read it every day. But as often as he remembers or I remember to encourage him to read it, then we do that. This is another one of our favorites. So we like to play Uno. And every evening or every other evening, we try to play some Uno. And this is where we are very competitive, especially David and I. We're very competitive towards each other, and we just enjoy a good laugh when we play Uno. So such is life. Uno, sorry.
Uno.
What color should I play?
Blue.
What are you doing? Or what were you doing?
Dancing.
What were you doing?
Playing
Playing what?
Minecraft. where you can build stuff.
Crazy boy.
I'm building, okay?
Number 6 is a bonus for David because while Hannah and I are working, then we can't entertain him. And he's not very good at entertaining himself. So he gets to play video game. And he gets to use WhatsApp and message his friends on WhatsApp. So guys, that's how we have been spending our quarantine time. I would love to hear how you have been spending your time with your family or alone or with your children. I would love to hear that. So please comment in the comment section how you have been spending your time. Let's chat. All right, thanks for joining me and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.